Your ship leaves Sunday and your bed looks like TJ Maxx exploded all over it.
We've all been there staring at that mountain of maybes, and that pre-cruise panic starts to set in.
Stay with us and we'll turn that panic into a single, tidy carry-on that covers every dinner and every shore excursion without you needing to see a chiropractor afterward.
We've seen it all and somehow still fit everything into one bag. No magic, just smarts honed by years of skepticism. Ready to kick it? Let's do this.
Welcome to Gen X Cruise Life. If this Halloween decoration makes you want to break into a Peter Gabriel song, then this is the cruise channel for you.
Let's be real. We're the generation that made mixtapes with painstaking precision, but now we need reading glasses just to read the buffet labels.
We've earned our stripes and we know what we like. Translation, we want comfort that doesn't scream tourist. We hate wasting money on things we already own, and we refuse to look like we've raided our teenager's closet.
Our style, it's easy, it's fun, it looks like we're not trying too hard, and it's definitely wrinkle resistant. Think of it as your wardrobe's greatest hits album. If an item can't mix and match into at least 3 different outfits, it doesn't make the cut.
And if it needs ironing, we're on vacation, we're not going to a job interview. Pack like you're going to a sophisticated beachside brunch, not like you're trying to get into the mosh pit at Lollapalooza 92. We appreciate quality, versatility, and looking like we're put together.
Let's talk about luggage. Forget those large, monstrous, hard-shell beasts that look like you could smuggle a fugitive in. What you need is a lightweight, soft-side carry-on. It squeezes into overhead bins, and it's just easier to maneuver. And those wheels, you absolutely need 4 spinner wheels that glide like a Depeche Mode synth line, smooth and effortless.
A good telescoping handle is non-negotiable for those long walks through the terminal that feel like the Baton Death March. Look for a clamshell opening, because seeing everything at once means no more digging for that one shirt like you're searching a bargain bin at a big box store.
Dedicate one side to packing cubes and the other side to toiletries and shoes. Checked bags get lost, and you could end up in Nassau with nothing but the acid wash jeans you wore on the plane. So bring your bag on board and you'll be ready to enjoy your vacation from minute one.
If you're still rolling your old concert t-shirts into a grocery bag, I see you, but it's time for an upgrade. Compression cubes or bags are your new secret weapon. They're not just about organization, they're about maximizing space like a Tetris master.
We recommend 3. 1 for daytime clothes, another for dinner outfits, and a third for whatever else. Zip them, compress them, and you've just freed up a third of your suitcase.
That's precious real estate for your mini pharmacy or that bottle of decent hot sauce you refuse to live without. Plus, if security decides to go through your bag, your underwear isn't on full display for everyone to see. And let's not forget about the peace of mind. You'll have a spare outfit in case your bag gets delayed or lost.
This is where the magic happens. For the ladies, 5 tops, 5 bottoms, 3 casual dresses for dinner, and a fancier black dress for those formal nights. You're gonna pack 2 lightweight wraps to cover your shoulders and give it a different look.
For the guys, 5 casual shirts and bottoms, 3 button downs or fancy polos with 2 wrinkle resistant pants, one being more dressy, and 1 versatile blazer that refuses to wrinkle. For formal nights, pack a couple of dress shirts and a tie that coordinates with the blazer, and 1 with the pants. That's your core. The secret? Stick to a simple color story. Think navy, khaki, or white.
This way, every piece works together, creating countless outfits. And don't forget to pack that 1 swimsuit in your carry-on for Embarkation Day, and the spare one gets tucked away in the cube.
For the real MVP, add a 50 SPF long sleeve shirt. It's not just for Alaska, it's for any sunny shore excursion. It's sun protection you can't forget to reapply. Look for lightweight, quick drying fabrics. They'll keep you comfortable and are a breeze to hand wash.
And this is where it could all go wrong. Shoes. Bring 3 pairs, maximum, no exceptions. Ladies, first, a soft cushioned but cute pair of walking sneakers for those cobblestone European ports that your feet will thank you for. These double as your exercise shoes on board the ship. Second, a pair of stylish but comfortable sandals you can wear if you're not planning on doing a lot of walking. Guys, pack a pair of casual loafers. You could substitute these for flip-flops for beach vacation cruises, or another pair of walking sneakers for Alaskan cruises. Ladies, your third pair should be a dressy pair of wedges or elegant sandals in a neutral color for the evening. And guys, bring a nice pair of shoes to wear for dinner that goes with all of your outfits.
Wear your bulkiest pair for Embarkation Day. This saves crucial space. And fill each shoe with socks, chargers, or your emergency stash of Tums. Dead space is the enemy of the one-bag warrior. Let's be honest, Cruise ship bathrooms have the counter space of a postage stamp. That's why a water-resistant hanging toiletry organizer is non-negotiable.
Hook it over the back of the door and suddenly everything is vertical and visible. No more rummaging through a messy bag on a wet counter. Fill TSA-approved bottles with your own stuff. Ship soap, bless its heart, has the moisturizing properties of sandpaper.
And here's a pro tip from your old locker days. Bring a magnetic hook for the metal walls. Use it to hang your lanyard, your hat, or even a damp swimsuit. No more hunting for essentials in the dark.
It's time to assemble your personal first aid kit because let's face it, the prices on board for this stuff is insulting. Dramamine for motion sickness, take it before you need it, and these C-bands for extra relief. Ginger chews are a natural remedy for motion sickness.
Ibuprofen or your pain reliever of choice, because the ship sells one little tiny packet for the price of a cocktail. Don't forget bandages for blisters, a tiny tube of antibiotic ointment, and a few safety pins. Throw in some antacids or any personal prescriptions.
Bring double the amount of prescriptions and separate them into 2 separate bags in case one gets lost, because let's face it, lost luggage doesn't care about your blood pressure medication, and now you can at least relax.
Cabins often have a criminal lack of outlets. A non-surge power strip with USB ports is a lifesaver. Just make sure it's non-surge, as surge protectors are usually banned.
Download the cruise ship app before you leave home because you don't want a cell phone bill the size of a car payment. A Kindle beats carrying 4 dog-eat paperbacks any day of the week, saving weight and space in your luggage. And here's a modern essential, air tags for your bags.
If your luggage gets misrouted, you can track it like a Jilted X from a 90s thriller. You'll know exactly where it's at. It's a small investment for massive peace of mind.
Embarkation day can be chaos. Your cabin's not going to be ready until 2 p.m., but the bar and the pool are open. That's why you need a survival tote. Pack a foldable tote in your personal items, and before you board, toss in your swimsuit, sunscreen, meds, and a change of clothes.
The pool is open and your vacation begins the moment you get on board. Nothing screams rookie like sweating in your travel clothes while everyone else is sipping a drink by the pool. This tote ensures you can jump right into vacation mode.
Let's face it, nobody wants to look like they slept in their clothes, and paying those on-ship prices for laundry is a hard pass.
Here's your ninja trick. Pack a travel-sized bottle of Wrinkle releaser spray and give that garment a quick little tug. Otherwise, hang it in a steamy shower and let gravity do its work. A few spritzes of your magic potion and boom, fresh clothes without an iron, without the hassle and without the cost. You're welcome.
Formal night doesn't mean packing a prom dress. It means looking polished. One little black dress or a dark blazer with nice pants equals instant sophistication.
It's simple, classic, and it works. Ladies, add a wrap. Guys, a classic sport coat. For jewelry, leave the truly valuable stuff at home. You'll want to enjoy your evening, not worry about losing something precious. When you hit port, be prepared. Bring small bills for tips and local markets. And for your essentials, bring a Ziploc bag. In it, stash your driver's license, ship card, 1 credit card, and some cash. Bury this deeper in your day bag. This way, you're not fumbling through your wallet.
Always have backup copies of your passport, your driver's license, and your credit cards on your phone and inside your safe. Remember, pickpockets are pros.
Disembarkation can feel like a mad dash. For your souvenirs, use the tote that you brought on Embarkation Day. For your dirty laundry, pack those in the cubes.
And here's another game changer. Set out your departure clothes the night before. Your 7 a.m. self will thank you for it. And if you can manage it, opt for the walk-off option with your own bags. It means you're amongst the first off the ship, first through customs, and the first home for a nap.
It's the ultimate power move for the smooth getaway. It's like the final scene in The Breakfast Club.
So there you have it. We're the generation caught between fanny packs are lame, fanny packs are cool again, but we can definitely pack everything in one bag.
The goal is 1 suitcase, 1 personal item, and 0 stress. To recap, a lightweight, soft-sided carry-on, compression cubes, a capsule wardrobe, a mini pharmacy, a non-surge power strip, and Wrinkle release spray.
Nail those, and every sunset, every excursion will feel like a real vacation and not like a suitcase scavenger hunt.
Hit that like button if this saved your sanity, and share it with your cruise partners so they can stop packing enough underwear for a month.
Happy sailing. See you on the Lido deck, Gen X. And now we've got a video that you two picked just for you.
You party people.